Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to flash Tasmota on Wemos D1 Mini in very simple steps. Step 1. We have to install esptool on Windows 10. For this, we have to install Python on our Windows system. To install the latest version of Python, we will go to python.org/downloads and download Python. Next, install it like any other Windows application, but make sure you click checkbox Add Python to Path during installation. Now open command prompt and type command pip install esptool and wait for it to install. After successful installation of esptool, if you type command esptool.py version, then it should give you version of esptool you just installed. Now connect Wemos Mini to computer using USB cable. And open Device Manager. Under Ports, COMP and LPT, you will find COM number like COM4, COM5, etc. Note it down as we will need it in next step. Now open URL ota.tasmota.com/tasmota/release. Download tasmota.bin file from here. I have also put tasmota.bin file download link in video description. Move downloaded tasmota.bin file to C drive. In command prompt, go to C drive and run a command. Again, the command you can find in video description. Make sure the command is exactly same without any changes. It will take little time, and once completed, things will return back to command prompt. Finally, if you check your phone Wi-Fi list, you will find Tasmota listed there. If you tap on Tasmota, you will be asked Wi-Fi credentials. Or you can just tap Wi-Fi SSID and it will autofill. You just have to type password in this case. Now, if you open IP 192.168.1.4 in browser, you will get Tasmota screen. If the above ID doesn't work, then check your router network and you will get the IP of Tasmota. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment and we will surely help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any automation requirement, please go check out calsob.com, link in description. Thank you, bye bye.